What is up? Alright guys and girls, whoever he, she is, whoever's watching this channel, check it out. We are going to go on a little adventure in the Jeep. We're gonna kind of go take it to the place where we've took the Suburban before, but there's more snow. There's a little more snow than last time, and so I still don't have the Suburban back. We're waiting on getting the Suburban back. It's still at the shop. There's some issues with the axle, but nonetheless, it's coming back. Stay tuned. See what we can find. All right. First things first, though. Before we get going, before we get playing, we're going to go ahead and take out. Well, not take out, but we're going to pull the quick disconnects off. Oh. Come on. Come on. There we go. Alright, so now we just pull those up and reconnect those right there. Reinstall the clips. Get that one set up. And boom, we are ready for some action. Oh yeah, actually I'm gonna set you up real quick and get a little footage. Oh man, I love this Supercharger. Oh, it's so fun. It's just instant, just oomph. Woo! Wasn't too bad. Before we were in four-wheel drive, but I didn't have the lockers on, so yeah, so far no lockers yet. Stay tuned. Cool little herd of deer. That's a lot of deer. Holy cow. It's kind of been a while since I've seen like a herd of deer that big. Alright folks, check this out. We came up here. Actually, let me put this Jeep in park. Oh jeez. It's kind of hard to get out. get out of the old Jeep. But came up here. There's this kind of little road here that came up. I think it still goes a little bit further off. Come up here in the summertime and check it out. It's hard to tell in the snow, so I don't want to go do a bunch of stuff where I'm not supposed to be. But this trail is a little trail. But check out the views. Hopefully that wind ain't too bad. Hopefully I can block it. I don't know. But look at this thing. Oh yeah. It's kind of tricky trying to turn around here on this side hill, but we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna go down there, and then we're gonna go over that way, try to find another little trail to play on. I know there's a couple up here. There's actually one I have not been on, so we're gonna go scope it out. So we are on a new road. I actually have never been on. So I've been up here. I've seen this kind of area, but I've never been up here, and it looks to me like, oh, there's some deer over there. It looks to me like somebody's got this little area set up as a shooting range. It's BLM land, so I don't know what this is all about. Kind of a little dangerous, I guess, if you come up here or exploring back up in there and someone decides to come in here and shoot. But yeah, it's I didn't know this was up here, so it's good to know. At least I might have a good spot I can come and sight some guns in and stuff. I actually don't know how far this road goes, so maybe it just goes to right here. I don't know. I'm trying to see where the actual road is here. Looks like they got some stuff working on here. Got a little, oh okay, I think the road keeps going, but somebody's got a target set up here. So we're gonna go explore and see where this goes. I'm pretty sure. A little trail here. So since I've never been up this road before, and I don't know actually where it goes, it's hard to tell in the snow here, so I think I might wait until springtime. Well, we came up here, the top of the world. No, just kidding. This isn't the top of the world. We can still go way up yonders. But today is the day where I turn around here. The reasoning behind that is because obviously I'm by myself. So, yeah, we're not gonna chance anything. We're just gonna turn around here. But I could not leave here without giving you a beautiful view of the supercharged Jeep Wrangler and the mountains. Such a beautiful view. Man, you ever need to relax and think about some other stuff, just get outside. Come on out. Enjoy the world. Enjoy what Mother Nature has to offer us. Now, I'm very grateful for the snow for a couple reasons, because for one, we need the water. Two, my lawn care business and my snow removal business rely on the snow. We rely on that snowpack up there in them hills to give us water so that we are able to water our lawns. And I make really good money doing snow removal, so I like that too. But stay tuned. I don't know, might keep finding stuff. I'm not quite home yet. Yeah. But just for fun, we're gonna lock it up, front and rear. Hitting the ground now at least, but still didn't want to go too much further. But I also wasn't rallying on it, romping on it, or so you could say. I'm gonna start from here. We didn't get too much further. Still kind of scared to just fully romp on this Jeep here, but another thing to keep in mind is we've got this fence here, and right about where I'm at, it's kind of like a little sloped, and it's wanting to push me over into this fence. And I don't really care to be pushed over into that fence right now. You can kind of see right there, it's wanting to push me over. So anyways, I'm cool with that. All right, that is it. I mean, I don't know. I need to find some more vehicles and people to come out join me. But as soon as we get the Suburban back, my daughter will be able to join me, and we will be able to take a couple vehicles and just have some fun. So I'm hoping the snow will still be here, stick around. I mean, we're not gonna beat on anything, but sometimes it's a little funner when you got a couple guys, you know, or girls or whoever. It just makes for some fun. Somebody might want to try something and get stuck, but the problem is if we're together, it's easy. It's easy to get unstuck. Just pull them out. So we enjoy that aspect of stuff. But that's it. I'm out. That's all. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna go home, spend some time with my wife, spend some time with my kids, eat some food, drink some Red Bull, and overall, just we'll see you in the next video. So stay tuned. Remember, smile every morning. And yeah, if you're not doing any of the ice baths, try it. Just see what it does. I mean, if you're scared, do it anyways. Just try it. Start with your bathtub. Fill up the bathtub with cold water. Jump on in. Even if it's for a couple seconds. Just see how you feel afterwards. It's kind of invigorating. Yeah, it's nice. But peace. Have a good day.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.